In this video, I'm going to teach you how to archive buckets in Microsoft Planner. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft, and from in there you should be able to see this. You can also get your planner for iOS as well as Android devices. Now you need to take note that in order to actually access Microsoft Planner, you need to be under a subscription plan with Microsoft or be under an organization with a subscription plan. We're in here, just head over and click onto this sign in. Sign into your account by inputting your email, phone, or Skype and then adding in there your password in order to access your account. Now here is my Microsoft Planner. So as you can see right here, you can click on any buckets that you have. In order to access buckets, you need to have the board view. For example, let's actually archive this bucket. You can click on the three dots onto this particular bucket right here in order to expand the more option. In here, you have the option to delete it. So as you can see, there's no option to archive it, but there's an option to delete it. Another option that you can do is you can head over and then create in here a new bucket called archive. Now into this, you can just move tasks that you have already completed or archived. For example, I have in here this plan. Just drag and drop it into the actual bucket that will have it right here, and it will be the archive page. So it's actually up to you if you want to create an archive bucket or if you want to delete a particular bucket that you wish to archive. Do take note that if you delete a particular bucket, there's actually be deleted and all of the tasks under that bucket will be deleted as well, and there's no way on returning it or redoing this or restoring this as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.